Close your eyes and go to sleep. The stars are twinkling overhead. I'll make pillows of the leaves. The earth will be your bed. The moon will stand guard up in the sky to make sure all is well. So we will have no need to fear till we find a place to dwell. And God will send a canary and a rose to fill our home with joy. Yes, God will send a canary and a rose for my little girl and my little boy. Gently will the breezes blow to warm our family through the night. Flowers will perfume the air, and I will hold you tight. Oh, sweet will be your dreams of home, the home we're traveling to, until the sun brings in the dawn and you wake up with the dew. And God will send a canary and a rose to fill our home with joy. Yes, God will send a canary and a rose for my little girl and my little boy. When at morning time we rise, there'll be a beautiful brand new day. We'll thank God for all His gifts, and we'll be on our way. For God loves all His children. He takes care of everyone. Yes, God loves all His children. My sweet daughter, my good son. And God will send a canary and a rose to fill our home with joy. Yes, God will send a canary